Hi, my name is Irma. My topic is me whom others find difficult to talk to. And in my life right now, that's at least two people. One of them is my daughter. It was my surprise when she told me that she could not confide her problems in me because I don't listen. In my mind, I listen to her all the time. That's all I do. I listen, I give her advice. She never follows it. In my mind, all I want to do is help her and be there for her. But in her mind, I don't listen. This meditation has helped me see that it's all about me in this situation with my daughter. I'm the one that's not comfortable watching her live her days out in depression. I'm the one who wants to fix her and change her. I can't accept her with her problems. And I can't accept the timeline that she's on. The other person in my life is my husband. My husband has a hard time telling me things because I basically dismiss them. I'm always in a hurry. I always want to hear what he has to say quickly so I can move on to the next thing. Through this meditation, I've been able to see how selfish I am, and my priorities are not in the right place when it comes to him. I really need to allow for more of my time and energy to just be with him so that he can talk to me, and so I can really hear what he has to say without being in a hurry and moving on to the next thing. I don't know what I would do without this meditation. It's helped me in so many areas of my life. I've been doing it for a long time, and I'm still having enlightenments. And every time I have an enlightenment about something or how I really am, what I'm really doing, what I'm really causing, what's my part in all of this, then I'm empowered to change it, and my life gets better. I really recommend this meditation to anyone, 1,000%.